Good morning. Got the whole second floor straightened, laid out for roof. Just putting my walkways in here to set this roof. These are all sloping flats. So lay that wall out, and I have to lay that wall out up there as well. And then I'm ready to start setting trusses. And I'm gonna start setting trusses here. Okay, let's lift these guys up. About keeping the cage level right now. Outriggers down. Nice and smooth. Cage is plumb. We're over the wall. Let's see how many of the toe straps are stuck under a wall. One. Have to get the gooseneck stuck. Okay, we'll get that toe strap from underneath the bundle. Pretty easy. The old crowbar or gooseneck. There it is. Keep it close by. Oh, can you see anything? Right up against the old. There. Right. That's that. Only thing I'm gonna do yet is go across the street. There's 3 little gables I gotta pick up there. That's it. That's all. Okay, so we'll start setting these. So what I think I'll do is I'll try to balance it for now upside down. Nope, maybe not. Gonna kind of want to do what it wants to do. Oops. It might be easier in the middle, huh? I think that's the key. Let's work in the middle. Okay, we're gonna roll. Just don't want it to slide now. Perfect. Still looking good. Get that bottom in. Flip it up a little. Okay. Roll it. Looks good. I think we're a little too far. There it is. There it is. Got a stud right here. Just going to tack that for now. Looks like it can go a smidge towards the back. That looks good there. Okay, we're going to fasten that right here. was a miss. That was a hit. And so on. Okay, so that went good. Should have probably videoed a little more. The ridge block up there was the key. So the 22.5-inch blocks, that made it really easy. The walkways, when in doubt, add a walkway. It feels better. And then I got the strong backs in, or the bottom cord bracing, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm going to start the overhang fascia piece. Okay, that's the end of the day. Oof. I got to get a scab block there. I'm not going to look up because the sun's going to beam us. Had a math error there. Out 1/2 inch, 5/8. No, math would be 3/4. Looks like crap. But anyways, these guys are up. Got to sheet the heels and block them for seismic, and then I can start sheeting. Good day today. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.